For the last few years, the premium wireless earbud market has felt incredibly stagnant. Every single brand follows the exact same formula. They tweak the silicone tips, they promise a tiny percentage increase in active noise cancellation, they add 20 minutes to the battery life, and then they expect you to drop nearly $300 all over again. But with the release of the brand new AirPods Pro 4, Apple didn't just follow the script. They changed the entire narrative. They packed features into these tiny stems that cross the line between convenient consumer tech and pure sci-fi. But in doing so, they also created a massive, quiet crisis for unsuspecting buyers. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are thinking about upgrading to the AirPods Pro 4, if you are looking for your very first pair of premium earbuds, or if you are sitting there wondering if your current AirPods are suddenly obsolete, you need to pay very close attention to what comes next. Do not pull out your wallet just yet. Because by the time you reach the end of this audio track, you will understand the dark truth behind Apple's audio engineering. We are going to expose exactly what the AirPods Pro 4 do to your hearing, the hidden hardware downgrades Apple buried in their environmental fine print, and the precise psychological tricks they use to make these earbuds feel completely indispensable. Let's start with the immediate sensation the moment you snap open that magnetic charging case. Visually, it feels familiar, but the weight has shifted. Apple has quietly re-engineered the dimensions to optimize acoustic resonance. When you slip them into your ears, the initial physical feeling is almost eerie. It feels like absolutely nothing. Apple used data from millions of ear scans to create a universal, zero-pressure seal. But real magic doesn't happen in the physical world. It happens the exact millisecond the internal computers boot up. There is a moment of total, unsettling silence. That is the new H-series silicon chip taking over your reality. The active noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro 4 doesn't just block out sound, it actively hunts it down and destroys it. Older generation earbuds simply play an inverted sound wave to cancel out static noises like an airplane engine or the hum of an air conditioner. The AirPods Pro 4 operate on a completely different level of artificial intelligence. The internal processors are sampling environmental noise thousands of times per second. When you walk down a busy street in New York, or sit in a chaotic coffee shop in Los Angeles, the earbuds categorize every individual sound wave around you. The roar of a subway train is instantly deleted. The screech of brakes is flattened. The loud conversation of the people sitting at the table next to you is turned down to a faint, unrecognizable whisper. It feels like stepping into a private, soundproof glass dome in the middle of a war zone. It is a psychological relief you didn't know you needed until you experienced it. But this intense level of isolation introduces a terrifying problem that Apple doesn't want to talk about in their commercials. Sensory deprivation sickness. Because the noise cancellation is so brutally effective, it creates an artificial pressure imbalance inside your ear canal. For some users, your brain perceives this total lack of low-frequency ambient sound as a sudden change in altitude. It can cause mild dizziness, a strange internal ringing, or a feeling of claustrophobia within the first 20 minutes of use. It forces a heavy question upon you. Is absolute silence worth a feeling of physical disorientation? You have to understand how your own body reacts to high-level audio isolation